Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to work out of the Huda Mercury Retrograde palette. I'm getting ready to go to my granddaughter's birthday party, her 8th birthday party, so let's get into this tutorial. Out of this Huda Retrograde, and the first color I'm going to go into is Off Balance, that one right there. I hope everybody's doing well. Grayson, he's been here since yesterday and he spent the night last night. He's going to stay with Mama all day today. And let me tell you, he's been living like a little single kid, buddy. He's been just living it up over here. I'm gonna take my Rose and Ben E28 and we're gonna blend that out. Bubba chasing you. Add a little bit more in right here at the beginning of the crease. Then I'm going to take a little bit on the tip of the brush and push that into my crease. He takes longer than anybody else I know, baby. I know.
I'm going to be watching out this very window.
You are.
He probably already got it right.
Yeah, he's probably already got it.
I just hope he didn't ask for a coat float.
No, I wrote it down and I told him to. Brian's really hard-headed about this stuff, but I told him to ask for it the way I wrote it down.
Okay.
Hopefully he doesn't bring.
Dog over there. Basically, just put ice cream in the bottom and then put Coke on top and drink it.
Yeah.
So, hopefully they didn't do that.
I said frozen Coke. That's what I said. Now I'm going to take that color and I'm going to pack it right here at the end.
Because now I'm trying to get like,
No, he'll get the right thing. So, oh, sorry. I'm pushing this into the end of that Off Balance color. At the end of the crease. Grayson is waiting for his Coke float to arrive and he is watching out the window for it. That is my grandson, Grayson. He is 11. I think he's old enough now to be on videos.
Well, you have to be 13 to have a YouTube channel, but also,
won't you just let...
But guess what? If you're a family YouTube channel, you can be at least how old you are.
Okay, well, he's a family of a YouTube channel. As y'all know, Abigail's the only one that's been on my YouTube channel. And my daughter, of course. Okay, so the next one I think I'm going to go into is... I want to go into this Hot Mess. This color, this burgundy mauve type color. And I'm going to go in with my Sigma E27. And I'm going to pack that right here in the outer third. And then I'm going to bring that up into my crease.
I had a lot of trash in his car.
Did he?
All the way up to the passenger seat.
Holy cow.
Gee.
Now I'm going to take my Rose and Ben E27 or E28.
I see woodpecker.
Quiet in the studio. So now I'm just going to tap that color in right here. I've never used these colors before in a look, but I've been wanting to use them, so. And we're just going to tap that in. I want to see what colors are in this one to go with this look. Okay, so Cosmic Love will go really well with this, and it's this one right here. Then over here, I'm going to swatch a couple of these shades. These two right here, I think would go good in the front, so, or one of them. So I'm going to take Cosmic Love out of the Rose Quartz palette. And I'm just going to press this. This mirror is way dirtier than this one. So I'm going to press this in the outer part of my eyeshadow look. So it still has some purple to it. And then I'm going to take a clean finger and I'm going to run it out a little bit further. Like that. Then I'm going to take, actually I'm going to add another color over top of this. I'm going to add Energized, this one right here. Oh yeah. Now let me do the other eye. Then we're going to go into this Cosmic color out of the Retrograde. We're going to put that in the front. And this is the look.
Is it?
Okay. Okay guys, I put a white pencil in the waterline, which was the NYX Milk Jumbo pencil. And then I think for the lower lash line, I'm going to go into Hot Mess, that dark mauve shade that I put in the outer corner. This along the bottom lash line. And then I'm going to go in with the Lovecraft Beauty and do a wing liner, and then I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Now we're going to go into the Bare Cheeks palette by Blend Bunny Cosmetics, and we're going to go into these two colors right here. So we're going to go in with one dip of the dark purple and one dip of the light purple. Then for highlighter, we're going into the About Face look, light look. Shh. And then we're going to take this and go into the inner corner and the brow bone. We're going to spray our brush. Okay guys, so for the lip, I had to do a short for the lip, but for the lip, I went in with the Gerard Cosmetics Bel Air lip pencil all over the lips, blotted out you know, with your finger, blot the lip liner out. Then I put on the new Law Nerds Gerard Cosmetics with Emily D. Baker Objection Gloss. This is the lip. I love this entire look. It just looks so good. Let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial, if this is something that you might would wear. I love the pinks. This is the outfit that I'm wearing. I've matched it all different ways. I've did the turquoise, I've did purple, now I've done pinks. I just love the whole look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please smash that like button. And if you would like to shop anything Gerard Cosmetics, there will be a link down in the description where you can purchase. And I also have a code. If there's not a sale going on, you can use BelindaMua to shop anything on Gerard Cosmetics except anything brand new. Like, it won't work for these. And then for Blend Bunny Cosmetics, you can save 10% with the code BelindaMua, which Blend Bunny has so much to choose from. Please go check her out. And if you like makeup and beauty from a mature Southern woman, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And we will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.